How's it going, guys? My name is Jonathan Price, aka Johnny Boy HD/Pack, and welcome, guys, to another gaming setup video. I haven't done one for a while, but this is June game setup, so we've got a couple of posters there. Big one. I haven't got anything there anymore. I'll be getting one soon. Some posters there. Well, then we've got a drawer. I'm not going to bother to go in. We have a mini bin here, two headphones, some cables and stuff. And here is the gaming setup. So this is my Toshiba laptop, and as you see, this cable goes round the back, up there, and up to the microphone, because I now record on my laptop, but I'm recording this on the phone because I'm doing a vlog kind of thing. So what goes into the computer? I record my computer. Good job, it's all done. Then my iPod docking station is under there. I haven't really moved it yet. Then we got my PS4 with a cable. I think that's an aux cable, I'm not sure. But that cable there goes right under there, if you can see, onto this. Then it goes the other way up to the back there. Then we got this, my mini jack headphones clock. Is that wrong? I'm not sure. Maybe. Yeah, that's definitely wrong. So don't read that, but it's wrong. 10 awesome gamer badges. Then we got my DS, couple of games in there. My G-Tech keyboard is allowed now to be on camera. My mouse, my thingy pad. Then we got a couple of consoles, my games, controller, my box, and my bin, and my gaming chair. So hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video, guys. Bye, guys. And sorry about the